Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete bulk of your old posts in Facebook. In order to do that, you can open Facebook on desktop version for easy access. Here, let's start by click Facebook or open Facebook on your browser, or if you install the app, please open your app. Here, in order to access your old posts, you can go to your settings, so you can click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen, and here you can click settings and privacy and try to find activity log. So click the activity log. Here we go. You can see your live videos history, videos you've searched for, videos you've watched, your search history, groups you've searched for, comments, group posts and comments, stories, activity, page likes and interests, your friends when you log in, and relationships. And in order to access the posts, you can use this group post and comment. And here we go. There is your Facebook activity. This is the post. So you can click your post, and here you can access your post, photo and video, a check-in, your post and other timelines, and so on. So in order to delete, you can click three dots, then click delete. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.